Introduction to Accounting. How to record a journal entry. Commerce Lecture Online. Analysis of a transaction. Transaction number 1. Owner made investment rupees 2 lakh in the business. Let's see which two title of accounts are involved. Owner is bringing investment, so one account involved will be capital. Owner is bringing in the form of money, that is called cash, so the other account involved is cash. Let's see the second step in what is the nature of these two accounts. Cash by nature is asset. Capital by nature is owner's equity, or you can say capital. Let's see its impact on the transaction. Asset, which is cash in this transaction, is increasing in the business. Capital is brought by the owner, so the capital is also increasing. Let's see how to record this according to rules of debit and credit. Asset when increase should be recorded in the debit side. That is why we are recording asset, that is cash, in the debit side. Owner's equity is also increasing. That means capital is increasing. Increase in capital credit the account according to rules of debit and credit. So let's see how to record capital in this entry. Capital is also increasing. Amount of transaction is 2 lakh. On this date, June 1, 2021, cash account is debited with this rupees 2 lakh. Capital account is credited with rupees 2 lakh. Narration is investment by owner in business. You will be recording this transaction in a proper journal form with these columns, date, particulars, PR, debit, credit. Rules of debit and credit are to be used. Like, share, subscribe, Commerce Lecture Online.